back to Check Out the Rileys. Today I wanted to show you a little something. These are some of the harvest that they've been doing, the palm oil. That's just some of them that fell off of the main one. But anyways, here's the cart, and there's Mr. Carabao. This is our Carabao, the farm's Carabao. One of them, there's two of them here. And this one, Papa tells us that it is from America. I'm not for sure if it was Hawaii or Guam where it came from originally, but that's the type or whatever. So I'll try to find out more about them as we are here, and he hears me talking about them, so he's checking me out there. And I say him loosely because I don't know him, her. I think they got one boy and one girl or something. I'm not for sure though. But anyways, back to the cart. This is the cart that they use to put the harvest in and drag it around, drag it from where they're harvesting to where they're going with it. We have a farm truck here, so they bring it all to one location, then get the farm truck and then put it all in there, and then they'll take that to the place that buys it, etc. But if you notice, again, there's no wheels. It just gets drug. Some old school stuff. I used to see these out and about all the time. Like, man, why don't they put wheels on that? Wouldn't it be easier to drag around? But anyways, that's what it is. Here is the area that attaches. See the yoke there? Seen Papa carving that out of of course it's a piece of wood. But I got video of that happening. Maybe I'll try to attach that to this. But making that, and then that sits up on the back, and then that goes around the front, the chest of the caribou, or I don't know what you call the chest area. Here's the cart. Pretty basic. It's not too much that went into it, but it's kind of smooth the way they make them, and is able to do all this with it. And then Carabao is over here eating some of the leaves off the trees. There he is. Sorry. Oops. Are you gonna smile for your pictures? So yeah, they have it up here by the house today. Usually it stays at the back of the farm unless they're using them to do something. It's like a lawnmower. You put them where you need your grass cut. So. There he is. If you know more about them, please say so in the comments. Again, this is the wagon. And thank you guys for checking out the Rileys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, like, share, you know, all that good stuff that you do. Till next time, check us out.